Today we're talking about the 7 keys to success. I'm DC Fawcett, and over the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how to collect checks like these on demand. You see, there are 3 main components of success in your life. There's your health, your relationships, and your finances. And as I mentioned, I want to show you how to generate checks on demand. So we're going to focus on your finances. You can have all the desire and motivation in the world, but if you don't have a vehicle to turn that motivation into cash, your financial situation is never going to change. So I'm going to show you the vehicle that I use to generate checks like these on demand. But first, let's do the 7 keys to success. Number 1, you need to be 100% committed. The number 1 step is commitment. You have to make the decision to want it. Otherwise, the rest of your efforts will be a waste of time, energy, and money. Number 2 is you have to be positive, because what you think about is what you attract. So if you think negatively, you're only pushing success away from you. And number 3 is you have to believe in yourself. Because if you don't believe in yourself, nobody else will. Number 4 is to fail forward fast, because you want to learn from your mistakes. And number 5 is to practice lifelong learning. Always be educating yourself and investing in yourself, because you are your most valuable asset. The more you learn, the more you will earn. Trust me on this. Number 6, take shortcuts by following a tested and proven plan so you can avoid common mistakes and reach success faster. And number 7 is to never give up on your goals and your dreams. See, I practice these 7 keys every day, not only in my business, but also in my relationships and in my health. So I'm sure you're wondering, how does he make those big fat checks on demand? Well, you see, I'm a virtual real estate entrepreneur, which basically means I can work as little or as much as I want right here from my home on the Gulf of Mexico, or while I'm traveling the world, because you only need a laptop and an internet connection to do this very simple business. And you don't need any cash or credit to do these types of deals either. So literally anyone can do this. If you have the desire to improve your quality of life and make an extra $10,000 or more per month part-time from home, I invite you to check out my virtual real estate investing secrets, and you can access it right here for free. But before you do, make sure you subscribe to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Now go click that link